Welcome! This is Health and Yum, where we mix delicious recipes with nutrition and health tips. I'm Alina, and today we are making a nutritious and delicious chicken salad that is healthy for the heart. Let me know in the comments if chicken salad is one of your family's staples. It's definitely one of my family's tried and loved recipes. I chose to use pecans in this salad as they are a great source of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. They help lower LDL cholesterol, which in turn can lower the risk of stroke and heart attack. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the salad ingredients: 3 cups cooked chicken breast, ½ cup celery, 3/4 cup grapes, 1 green onion, and ½ cup toasted pecans. Celery is rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, and can play a role in lowering blood pressure and LDL cholesterol. Next, in a small mason jar with a lid, combine the dressing ingredients: 1/3 cup mayo, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, ½ teaspoon sea salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Did you know that the vitamin C in lemons plays a role in lowering the risk of heart disease? Isn't that awesome? Shake the chicken salad dressing until smooth. Dance moves required. Add the dressing and the parsley to the salad and mix well. This salad is quite forgiving. You can omit some ingredients and add others. Please share in the comments if you made any changes. We sometimes eat it not only at lunch and dinner time, but also for breakfast. It's so satisfying and versatile. Taste and add more spices or lemon juice if needed. Store in the fridge for up to 3 days in an airtight glass container. I really like this type of glass container as it comes in different sizes, has a leak-proof lid for easy storage in the fridge, and is dishwasher and microwave safe. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour to allow the flavors to blend. This chicken salad is a keeper, very easy to make, rich in nutrients, and delicious. It's a flexible recipe that can be served on tortillas, cucumber rounds, crackers, and even lettuce leaves. Or just eaten with a fork. So many options and so yummy! If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we make another beautiful heart-healthy salad rich in protein and veggies.